Hey y'all, it's Meatless Monday here at Memaw's house, and we're making a Moroccan stew. These are the ingredients we'll be using, and as usual, I'll put the recipe in the description box. Okay, so we'll start by slicing up one medium onion, and then we'll chop some garlic and cut up our acorn squash. If you don't have an acorn squash, you have a butternut squash on hand, you can certainly use that as well. Now that our veggies have been chopped, we'll go ahead and heat some olive oil in a Dutch oven on a medium-high heat so that we can saute the onions and the garlic together. And while our veggies are sauteing, we're going to go ahead and drain and rinse the 2 cans of beans. Now that the onions are translucent, we'll go ahead and add our squash. We'll saute that for about 5 minutes. Now that the veggies have cooked a little while, we'll go ahead and add our spices. It's always good to bloom your spices, which means to cook them in some of that oil so that the flavor can come through much better. It smells wonderful in here. And it's time to add the broth. So we're going to add about 2½ cups of veggie broth to our pot. Even though we added the veggie broth, we still needed to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper to round out the taste of our stew. Now we're going to cover our pot and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes before we add our beans. We'll cook those beans for 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and soft, and then we'll add our raisins. We've added our raisins. Let's stir our pot, let it simmer for 5 more minutes, and then I'll show you the end result. It's amazing how quickly it's cooked down to a nice thick stew after adding those beans. We're going to pair it with a bed of white rice, and it is going to be delicious. Look at those onions. And it smells fabulous in here. Ooh, we're going to enjoy this. Happy Meatless Monday! I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment. I love your comments. Y'all be blessed. Bye.